Hey, I'm Hendrik Booz, and I'm the CAS coordinator for Marshall High School. And today I want to show you something in ManageBack where you can add files that are different from just your written reflections. You can add evidence, pictures, videos, perhaps an outside file, whether that's a scan or an image or something like that. So take a look over here. We go to first person listed, Farshid's portfolio page, and let's just go to, I don't know, internship at Posh Gardens or Garments. If you click on reflections and evidence right here, he is going to add a journal, which is what you guys are used to, but you can also add a website, a video, photos, and a file. You guys are pretty technologically savvy, so you guys can see where your evidence could explain something or show us something. And so let's take a look at what some of your senior peers have done. Sabir, a long time ago, before he started really writing his great reflections, loved throwing the pictures up, right? So action pictures of him in a game, and that's helpful. And you can see that the captions to these pictures became a little bit more reflective, and so we can count these as reflection / evidence. Now, we don't want everything to be a picture because while pictures tell 1,000 words, they don't necessarily always explain some of the challenges that you went through. But by all means, add a long caption and we can take a look at it. And you can see his captions got better before he started engaging in some more writing. Take a look at Ellis Nolan's, and Ellis is a member of the ukulele club. He uploaded a Jason Mraz cover. You can see, some of the members of the club right there in the middle. Sean, Jacob Ellis, Jake. So anyway, that was with Mr. Horn, a couple of videos. And so it's just kind of fun to add some things that are not necessarily the same elements that you've done before. Something that you guys are going to be doing more recently is you're going to be uploading some oral or some recorded pieces. And so in Mr. Reinish's class the other day, we went in and we had a bunch of different people just record just their reflections about one of their specific events. And so if you'd like to, you can record that. Probably going to be some sort of MP3 or whatever. You upload it from your phone, do it on your voice recorder, whatever's going to be easiest for you. But one of the elements you guys want to start thinking about is how you can add more evidence and not just add a bunch of writing. I hope this helps, and have a great day.